So now we advise you to pay attention to what I'm about to show you today. If you know you want to make in the next 30 days serious money online, so you should watch this video to the end, because I'm about to reveal to you how to make 30,000 online for free in the next 30 days. And if you even want to earn more money online, don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation in the description, guys, on how to earn 6 to 8 figures online with blogging. So welcome to this channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Tosin. I do create tons of videos like this that shows you how to make money online. And if you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell button, I will send you notification each time when I create new videos like this that shows you new method on how to earn money online. And in this case, you'll be the first one to start using this method to earn money online. Also give this video a like, because I guarantee you we have never discussed this method before on my channel. So this is a brand new method which I'm going to show you today in this video. And also subscribe to my second YouTube channel that are newly created. It is really just fresh, so there I'll be showing other methods also to show you ways to earn money effectively online. So you want to also check the channel out and also subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate that, guys. Okay, so let's move in today's tutorial. The first platform I'm going to show you, it's maybe a well-known platform called Upwork, guys. For those who don't know Upwork is a platform where people can hire other internet workers. Okay, and it depends on what type of niche you need to hire someone for. Okay, maybe you it's on development and IT, designer and creative, sales and marketing, writing and translation, admin and customer support, finance and accounting. It depends on what type of work you want to hire someone for. Okay, but you can hire workers on all around every niche, guys. Okay, it might be business niche, technology niche, or sport niches, or fishing, or anything, or fitness. Okay, if you even wait to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a free bot that we're going to be using to make money with the combination of this platform. So what we want to do is that we want to come to this platform, okay, and you want to sign up as a worker. So to sign up as a worker, you just go here and click on the sign up button. Okay, when you click on the sign up button, so you can sign up with either Google, or you create with Apple account, or you can also sign up with your email address. So let me just quickly log into my own account. All right, so now I've logging into my account. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is that we want to be creating content for people, guys. Okay, so you don't need any skills to do this method I'm about to show you. Even as a newbie, you can do this. I guarantee you can do this. It is totally free. So far you know how to copy and paste. It's easy to do. So just make sure you follow this video so that you can follow up the method, how it really works, so it will work for you. Okay, first let me just show you some proof that some people are doing this and it's also making them huge money online. We want to go to search button and want to write like content. So guys, see this person here earns $50 per hour, okay, because she writes SEO driving content for people. So people come to this platform to hire this lady, and she earns $50 per hour for writing them content. It might be any kind of content in different niche. I mean, it might be content on technology or business, finance, or sport, or fishing. Okay, it depends on what kind of niche people want to hire you for. Don't worry, you don't need any skills to do this. I will show you exactly how we're going to be getting this content and how we're going to be writing this content. Okay, it is very easy. Just follow up this video. So she has earned up to now $30,000 doing this. This is another guy from Nigeria, guys, doing the same thing. He's a copywriter, he's an ebook specialist, Amazon writer, SEO content writer. Okay, there is based on content writing, guys. Okay, and he earns $25 per hour. You can write different type of content on no matter what kind of niche it might be. Real estate, but don't worry, I will show you where we're going to be getting this content from and how we're going to be doing this professionally. But first, we need to come to Upwork and create a gigs like this. Okay, if we want to be writing only about finance, we can write here that we want to be writing about finance, and SEO or driving content writer for finance or for real estate. It depends on what type of content we want to be writing. So, but you can just come here, you need to create a gigs like this, okay, and you fill your CV, and after that one, you are ready to get hired from other people that pays you hundreds of dollars to write content for them. Like this person there has already earned 200,000 doing these things, guys. Okay, she's a persuasive writer, copywriter, journalist, and content strategy. So but don't worry, I will show you how we're going to be doing this. Okay, there are tons of people doing this online. Okay, they may also write it themselves. They will take tons of time to write this content themselves. Some of them will write it themselves, and it will take them tons of time. It will take them more time to write this content yourself, but we are not going to be writing this content ourselves, and we just need only 5 or 10 minutes to write this content, and which is going to take other people a day or even if not 2 days to finish up a content. Okay, depending on how long the content is going to be. So it will take them long time and submit it. Okay, but we are not going to be taking so long time because we are not doing this ourselves, and we're going to do it also professionally. So with the help of this bot I'm about to show you. So the next step is that we want to go to Google, assuming that we already created our gigs now on Upwork, okay, and we now get hired from someone that we should write article on business. So I know this might sound a little bit confusing, but just stick with me. I'm going to show you exactly how to get this content for free, which we're going to be using. So we want to come to Google, and assuming we want to write for business niche, we want to come here and write something like business tips for entrepreneurs. Okay, business tip for entrepreneurs. And now, so we have the first blog here that shows up. We can just go here to this first blog. What we want to do is that we want to rewrite this blog. So what we want to do is that we want to go to Google and look for this bot here, because this is the bot we're going to be using. This bot is going to rewrite this content for us. The name of this bot is called quillbot.com. okay, QUILL bot.com. So this is the bot we're going to be using. This bot only allows 300 to 400 words at a time to translate 300 to 400 words at a time. So this is the bot we're going to be using. So we want to go back to the content and just copy the first track of this content. Okay, so we can copy that and go back to this bot and we paste it here. Okay, after pasting it here, we click on paraphrases. When we click on paraphrases, you see it's going to rewrite this article here. Let me just read the first thing. The real article is written here that being successful often means learning from those who have already achieved. This is the rewrite interpretation here. It is written here that success frequently necessitates learning from those who have already achieved their objectives. So it rewrites this in another words. So after writing it like that, we want to go copy this. First one. We copy it and open a Google Docs. Okay, we paste it on our Google Docs. Paste. So we have the content here, the first tract of the content. We have it already here in our Google Docs. And after that, we go back here and start the next one here. Okay, click the next tract, copy it, and we go to the bot. So we're going to delete the first subtract, and we now paste the second one here, okay, and we click on paraphrase. So this is going to rewrite all this text, all this content here, and we can copy it and paste it here on our Google Docs. So we can do that on and on and on and on till we copy all this article finish. And after pasting it on our Google Docs, okay, after writing it here on this clipboard, and then we paste it, we copy it on our Google Docs. After that, we can save it to our computer and upload it to our Upwork. So this is how we're going to earn money on Upwork for free. Okay, all we need to do is just create a gigs like this. Okay, create a freelance gigs like this on Upwork, and after that, when we started to get hired, this is how we're going to be doing it and earning money with Upwork for free. Okay, you can then withdraw your money, this because Upwork will pay you direct to PayPal, or they pay you direct to your bank. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. This is how this method works. And there's other place that we can also do this. You can also go to Fiverr and join. You click become a seller, okay, and then you can start creating gigs on content writing. Okay, there are other people doing this, guys. You see, this person got already 159 orders. Okay, she will write website content that sells, okay, for 89 euros, guys. Okay, that is equivalent almost $100, all right, per content, and it's even get more than that. Okay, let's just click on this gigs. So it even get more than that. If it's standard, she get 178 euros for that. And when we click on premium, they have a premium jobs also, she get 267 euros for this, guys. So this is how to do this. And even when she write this herself, she may write this herself. Let me just read content for you. Let me just read a job for you. She wrote here, I will write 1,500 words for sales copy that brings home the close. Okay, include SEO keyword research. So this is what she do, guys. Okay, and she earn money for that. So you can also do this, okay, with even if you are new and you don't have any skills to write, no problem. With the help of this bot, you can do that, and it is free worldwide, and no matter where you come from, you can do this, and it is free when you follow this method I show you in today's video. So if you know you've gained value on this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell button. Also give this video a thumbs up. Let this video reach 1,000 likes. I will really appreciate that. And even if you want to earn more money online, check out my first recommendation in this video descriptions, guys, to earn even more money online, and also to learn exactly how to make 6 to 8 figures online with your blog. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.